Under under object menu, we'll be talking about Powerclip. Power clipping is also known as clipping mask, but in CorelDRAW it is known as Powerclip. This how it means to place object into another object or shape. Let's dive in. So the first thing we'll do, click on the object you want to place to another object. Click on it. We have multiple ways to do it. Well, let's start with the first one. The first one is to click on the object and go to the object menu on the menu bar. Then come to Powerclip, then place inside frame. Can you see it? Powerclip place inside frame. So this is the first method. An arrow will come, so click on it. So by default it will be in the center. So you might want to adjust it. Let's see, come to object once again, Powerclip. Then you can either to extract them. What I mean by extract objects, it means to remove it out. So you can edit Powerclip. So can you see it? Extract. This is what it means. It has been removed. So let's Ctrl Z and do it. Z. So let's editing it. So to edit Powerclip, it means that you want to alter some things in it. So once you have to want to increase the size, can you see it? So you have to finish it. So other option under there too, if you want to under Powerclip again, if you want to center it, can you see it? So it's also here. So you can fill proportionally, to stretch, grip, fit proportionally, fill proportionally. So this is how it works. Stretch to fill. You just navigate. So you can select it. Select. Then so that's how it is. So let's do the same. Another method is to right click the objects, power clip inside, then hit the arrow to where you want to power clip, which is here. So let's make it more complex here. Take this one here. So click this. Let's click it. Power clip. Click on this. So let's make it more fit proportionally. So let's fit it proportionally. Can you see it? So come to objects, power clip. So we can now see it. We can edit it. Edit power clip. You can zoom down with your zoom tool. Zoom down. So this is how it is. Hold control to maintain position. So hold control, take it up. This is how it is. You might want to increase it. Hold shift while stretching from the diagonally. So move it up. Sideways and upward. So this is it. But if you notice, let me zoom down. That's all. If you notice, some part of the mic is cut off. So what we do to bring it out? You can zoom in again, or right click first, edit content, zoom to. What we can do, the trick we can do is to right click, copy. Then you can hold control and press outside the object, or you click finish to finish Powerclip. You see it. Then you right click outside, then you control V or paste. So can you see it on it, but it's showing this part is also showing. We don't want it to show. What we'll do, remember using a shape tool, F10, it used to cut some part of the object. So click, highlight these nodes, and you take it up. Now you see it. If you wish, you can clean these ones too. So this is how it works. Then you click on it and you hold shift. But before then you might want to increase the outline, so it's okay. So click on this, click on it, click on this, then you right click them, group, Ctrl G. So this is how it works. So once we shift it like this, can you see it's together? This is how it is done. You might want to increase the size. So this is how it works. This trick behind it. You're welcome. Don't forget to watch more of these videos and subscribe. You're welcome.